It is gloriously fall, and among other things, that means there's lots of leaves falling. And I get asked all the time in the fall if we can put leaves on our gardens, and I hope that you do, friends. But I hope that you do in one of these two ways. Whatever you do, don't put your leaves as is straight on your garden. If you don't have a chipper shredder, put them in your compost and compost them first and work them into your compost, turn them into your compost. But if you do have a chipper shredder, you are in luck, and that is the dream of the dream, because once you put all of these leaves, your deciduous leaves, through your chipper shredder, that makes so much more surface area. All of a sudden the earthworms and all of the bacteria and fungi can be much more actively breaking it down. And it's not going to make this dense mat over your garden that will prevent the soil from warming up and things from popping up in the spring, whether it's your perennials or you getting in and wanting to till for an early spring garden. So yes, deciduous leaves are the reason why our northeastern forests are some of the most rich, abundant forests on the planet. They are so full of nutrients, as well as certainly carbon. But you really want to be shredding them before you put them directly on your garden beds. And feel free to use them, especially as mulch on garlic. Is one of my favorite ways to use leaves as mulch in fall. Just be sure you're putting them through the chipper shredder first.